Right, if you're trying to subtract two rational expressions, the process is actually very similar to what we did if we're adding rational expressions. So all the same properties that I said before in the previous video are still going to be true, except for one thing we need to emphasize. This is a very common mistake when you're doing specifically subtraction. When you have a minus sign, you have to remember to distribute that minus sign through all the terms in the numerator when you put the two fractions together, put the two rational expressions together. So it would look something like this. So these have the same denominator, so just like before when we were adding, we will keep that common denominator of x squared minus 16. But in the numerator, we would have 4x minus 5. All right, and this, here it comes, this is very important. It would be minus 2x and minus negative 13. So that would create a minus 2x and actually a plus 13. If you forgot to distribute the minus sign, you would have just written minus 2x minus 13, and that would have been incorrect because we're actually subtracting all of this numerator here, so we have to distribute that minus sign all the way through. All right, so let's clean this numerator up a little bit real quick. We have some like terms. We have a 4x minus 2x. That would make 2x. And minus 5 plus 13 makes plus 8. Okay, so we've simplified that numerator. And now actually it looks like both numerator and denominator might actually factor. Let's see, the top, the numerator has a factor of 2. So pull a 2 out, you get x plus 4. And the denominator is a difference of squares. So you would have x plus 4 times x minus 4. And then, yeah, we can simplify this a little bit by canceling these common factors of x plus 4 that we have. All right, so final answer would be 2 over x minus 4. So again, it's very similar to adding rational expressions. Just when you're subtracting, don't forget to distribute that minus sign through all the terms in the numerator.